So all of this? Be careful, all of it? How are you guys? What are you doing here day?
I don't know. What are you doing? Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, good afternoon, everything family. Good afternoon. Guys, it's afternoon already. It's almost 1 o'clock. Aalis kami, punta kami isang bahay para magtapon ng basura. And yung banana bread is yummers. Magbaon tayo para pang, masarap talaga yung banana bread as in plano ko. Bibili na naman ako ng banana. We have to let it ripe. And yun. And then ripa. So yun, let's go. My husband I'm waiting for him. Punta lang tayo. Nag-ano ako guys kasi pag manigarilyo si Mr. Ganon lang tayo. Ganon. Yun. At saka hindi na ako mag-lipstick kasi mag-smear dito. Ganon. And medyas tayo guys. So yun guys. And late na guys kasi nag-apply kami ng insurance guys. Mahirap guys. Yun. Sa mga nagtatanong about, yung mga... Kasi nawala man yung sapatos ko. Tika ha. Nawalay. Sa mga nagsasabing, yung mga pag may maramdaman kami, magsasabi na, pa-doktor. Hindi po madali. Lalo na walang mga trabaho mga tao. Walang insurance. Yun, yung iba, mayroong insurance dahil sa government. And then kami, wala. So ngayon, nag-apply si Mr. Ang hirap, guys. Ang hirap kasi. Sus, ginoo ko. Itong gobyerno. Yung mga taong nagbabayad ng tamang tax. At saka naghirap, hindi bigyan ng insurance. Pero yung mga taong hindi nagbabayad ng tax, binibigyan ng health insurance. Ay, nako. Problemado ang mga tao. Kami lang pala.
What?
Anyway. So, alis po tayo, guys. So, hindi po tinapos ni Tami. So, I guess, I'm gonna let him call somebody na lang kaysa, kami na yung mag-. So, yun po siya. Kaya, yung mga magsasabing, bakit hindi magpa-doktor? Ganon. Nung, si Tami, mag-okay naman siya for few months. Yun dahil sa COVID. Na-stop lang yung niya kasi wala siyang trabaho for months. Last month lang talaga, na-stop yung health insurance niya. So, ngayon, hindi siya sabi ko, importante ikaw. Kailangan mong mag-health insurance. Kasi yun. So, nag-apply siya sa government. Baby, pero wala talaga. Mamaya, tapusin daw niya yun bukas. Or mamayang gabi. Let's go. Did you lock that thing? We should lock that freaking wood over there. Don't forget my key. We will be right back, puppies. Okay, puppies. We will be right back. Papi chulo. Papi chulo. How do you like my banana bread?
It's okay. I'm gonna try it warm and see what it is.
It's okay. It's like super good. Punta lang tayo sa car. Naglalaba ako. Tinapos ko yung labahan ko, guys. Hindi ko talaga natapos. And yun. Let's go to the car. Oh my God. Ang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Okay. Kita niyo guys, kumakain yung asawa ko guys. Gutom yan guys. Nagustuhan. How do you like it? Hot? Not hot. Warm. You don't really like it. You don't like it.
It's better than when it's cold.
It's better when it's cold?
It's better than when it's cold.
It's freaking hot, hon. Oh, freaking hot, freaking cold. Okay, guys, let's go.
Pull up to the middle. Just pull up to it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. There's something wrong with you.
Well, it's 1 o'clock. Another should have been here already. How they're doing?
Huh?
Look at how they're doing.
So it's not going to rain? There's no rain, nothing?
Where's your gas?
Half. It's fine. Oh, the sun is my glasses is fogging up. I can't say nothing.
Insecurity here on Capitol Hill in recent days since that all happened. State Capitol in Madison, Wisconsin. I'm just curious. I mean, you have those temporary barricades around the Capitol. The Washington Monument is closed. This is not really the feeling, you know.
Pahangin na natin guys kasi
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come on often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me.
andito na kami guys. Ito yung mga box, ang daming box, oh. Ang daming box. Oh, there is a mail over there. So all of this? Be careful, all of it? Ito na naman siya guys, naghalungkat kung ano yung itatapon. Why you have to do that? Everything na lang. Han? But this is the problem here. Okay, dito pa, maraming pang basura dito. Meron pa dito din. And then, there's still box in the living room? Huh? Oh, where is the bag? We need the food. You only get one bag? Seriously, Han? Oh, you don't understand what I'm talking. Oh my God. Ito yung si Tami, parang magpabungol-bungol. Magpakaroon nun pang wala nakasabot. Ito yung problema sa kanya. Itatapon pa, hakutin pa. Hindi talaga pwedeng itapon kasi kailangan ikip. Mga heart attack ako nito. Maghinaw tayo kasi mag-ano tayo ng bread. Kain tayo. How's the meal, Tommy? What? Yeah, what's in there? No, I'm talking about why you don't bring also a freaking bag. I told you we're gonna put the food. Katigas ng ulo dyan mo dong. So, andito na kami. Hindi naman na kami magtagal. Nagtapon lang kami ng basura, ganun. Mga boxes. Hindi ko alam kung which box. May mga box pa dito. I think I'm gonna keep some box. Kasi, you know, display. Yun yung plano ko. Pero, tignan ko muna kasi ang daming box dito. And, what you just said?
My wife says I need a new face. She's not happy with this one. Whoa!
Arrange, I just said arrange your face.
Arrange my face. Get a new face.
Han, can you just do like this, honey? Han.
No.
Honey, look at... Doon si Mr. nakaupo. Tayo naman, dito muna tayo sa basement. Wala na yung freezer. Wala na isang malaking freezer. Madilim dito. Maghanap tayo ng madadala para ilagay sa isang bahay. Yun, ang daming ano. Dalhin natin ito, may steak. Unahin ko yung lutuin kasi yun yung matagal na. Ilagay natin yan sa freezer. Yeah, mga steak. Ayan. And then also itong mga gamit dito. Ano andito pa? Yung mga seasoning. Oh, konti na lang pala yung dito. I need to throw this out. It's bad. Saturday na naman tayo balik. Han? When are we coming back here? Saturday? Let Isabel throw some garbage? Or maybe Andrea will come here Thursday to drop the garbage. Saturday? Yeah, because we have to pack. We still have to do a lot of things to do. That Andrea can call somebody, a realtor here. Well, some houses when we went hunting, house hunting, you know, some houses is really not really like clean, people still living there, right? When we're looking houses, remember that?
Yeah.
People still living in the house, it's messy like that. All you have to do is imagine what it looks like when you clean it.
Right.
So, but we still have to pack. This one is need to go to the garbage. And I need a shredder because there's a lot of need to be shredding here. And our house over there too. What's in here, baby? What the heck is that loud thing?
That's the thing on top.
That's a weird noise.
It's on the top. The plier vibrate.
Yeah, look.
No. See that? Touch that plier. You'll feel it.
No.
Yes.
I'm going to get some food here sa freezer. Ilagay ko kayo dyan, guys, ha? Saan ko ba kayo ilagay? Ay, nako. Diyan na lang kayo. Nakaparang. Kuha tayo ng pagkain. Ilalagay natin dito. Alam niyo ba kung anong unahin ko? Steak. And then, i-defrost. On. Meron tayong roast beef. Na itong si Tammy. Yun, i-defrost ko to para lutuin. Look, oh, malaking roast beef. Buti na lang naka-sealed siya, so hindi siya talagang tira. Kasi mag-freezer freezer burn yung iba. Look, mag-freezer burn na nga siya. Ito si Tammy talaga. Kung alam ko lang na meron yan dito. Tagal ko na yan niluto. Yan. At ito. Siya. Yan. Wala, ang bigat dito. Maganda itong bag na to kasi ano siya. Yan. Yan o, ito natin. Oh God, ang bigat. So, ilagay natin ito sa sasakyan. Hintayin natin si Tammy sa car. Asin, anigarilyoan din. Langhat ko yung sigarilyo. I will be in the car. Bring me some paper towel when you go out, okay?
Okay.
One. God. Dito kasi nanigarilyot pa daw siya. Malinis naman itong kamay ko, di ba? Mag-alcohol nga tayo. Ito lang yung pinunta namin dito, guys. Basura and basura. Yung kapitbahay namin dito, si Bill, matagal na yun naming kilala at naging kaibigan. Yun. Kapag wala kami dito and then magtapon kami ng basura, si Bill palagi yung naghahatid ng mga garbage pail namin. Look, yung garbage pail na to, siya yung tagalagay. Siya yung tagabalik kasi walang magbabalik. Matatapon lang sila sa kahit saan-saan. Kaya yun. Bait yun. Nakakaawa nga kasi nagka-cancer. Yun, nagka-cancer siya. Kain tayo ng bread. Banana bread. Alam nyo guys, masarap talaga guys. I'm going to buy more banana and then I'll make and I'll send it to my sister-in-law. Nakakamiss yung Nakakamiss dito. Nakakamiss yung lugar. Anyway guys, I will see you home. Mag-drive lang tayo. And then, makikinig ng balita. Naisip ko lang dito, yung noon, yung si Biyanan. Nakakatawa kasi. Yung si Biyanan kasi, yung hindi pa ako nag-drive. And then palagi kong inano si Biyanan. Hatid sundo ko si Biyanan sa dialysis. So, yung time na yun is mag walking distance lang kasi. Mga 15 minutes walk. Yung dialysis center galing dito. So, I walk. And then, kapag andun si Biyanan, pag ihatid ko siya, tatawag ako ng taxi. And then, doon ako dito ako maghintay palagi. And then alalayan ko si Biyanan. Matagal na pala yun guys, no? Na si Biyanan na ganun pala, na dialysis. Mga 7 years ata siya nag-dialysis, diba? Ang tagal. 7 years, 8 years, I don't know, nakalimutan ko na. 2011 nag-start yung dialysis niya.
I don't really talk about it.
Camera.
I'm getting your food. Give me a minute.
For all of them. 2 of them.
I don't know why we only use half can of yellow, but the whole can of food.
Because the other one is different.
It's not different, but it should be the same weight. It's the same weight in food. Because the can weighs exactly the same amount. I'm feeding the kids.
That's all?
What am I doing? I'm heating up their food. I cut up the turkey to put in their food. I'm gonna heat this up. While that's heating up, I'm gonna get the cat's food. They got the turkey in their dishes already as well. They don't like the taste of dog food, so I'll rinse off the knife. Come on, Dad. Come on. Give it up. Close this so they don't go in there and eat that food, because they will.
So, say something like, how are you guys? What are you doing all day?
I don't know. What are you doing? I know what I'm doing. I'm feeding the kids. What are you doing? Come on, Bob. Hey. Come on, miss.
Talk like my wife never wash dishes. Say something.
That's true. Oh, I thought she finished her
Can
coffee,
you go
she
back
throw
to
it
the
in sink.
beginning that I can edit it again?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm washing dishes because my wife never washes dishes. She just takes whatever she uses, throws it in the sink, and says, I'll do it later. Until there's so much in the sink, we can't put nothing else in there. And then I have to wash them all so that I can do the animals' food. Me? No. I finish. Get it done. I've been doing this since I was 12. I do my own laundry, clean, cook, since I'm 12. Not like I need a maid service. You can give them bones when they finish. Give them bones when they finish. Debs, go eat your food. Go eat your din-dins.
Nakalimutan ko yung tripod ko andun pala sa sasakyan. Hi, Bob. So, let's turn this light. May labahan pala ako. Anyway, guys, So, naghiga-higa si Mr. Oh God. Ano ko ba? Pasensya talaga, guys. Humiga, nakahiga lang siya doon. Masakit yung ano niya, guys. Ipin niya. Ano ko kung anong gagawin. Hindi ko alam. Palagi yan siya nagpa-dentist. Pero, may ano talaga siya, something talaga. Kaya, yun. Tiin ko na tong vlog, guys. Salamat kayo sa mga time sa panonood. Tika muna, ha. May kukunin din ako sa sa car. Yung tripod ko is andun sa sasakyan. Okay. Ilabas ko lang itong mga basura. Ito. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kawawa naman. Kawawa. See you guys tomorrow.